Good morning to one and all of you. Today I am here to present a speech on the honesty is the best policy. As it is rightly said by William Shakespeare that no legacy is so rich as honesty. It is always said that one should always speak the truth. In this way, we don't have to remember what we said. Honesty is always confident, whereas one lies give birth to several more. Honesty doesn't mean just to say the truth. It is also mean that you never hurt anyone or involved in bad activities or bad things. If you live by morality, you will be never get in trouble or hurt anyone in this process. Everyone trusts an honest person and they enjoy a happy and prosperous life. Lies, cheating and dishonesty can only take you so far successful. At the end, honesty and truth wins. Honest person always get ahead in his career and all other aspects of life. So, if you want to become successful, you have to become honest at every step of your life. Naturally, everyone, the honest person gains everyone trust can be explained by this example. There were two families having two children of equal ages. One is of 10 years, other is of 6 years old. Now, they went in the garden where on the ticket window which was instructed that children below 5 years old would be get free entry. The first family father said his younger child that you have to say that your age is 4.5 years old. The child did same and got free entry. Whereas the other family father went and bought 4 tickets. While giving the tickets, the gatekeeper said that if you said that your younger child is below 5 years old, I would never mind it, and gave him free entry, and you could save some money. The father replied with a smile, yes, that I could definitely save some money, but lost honesty in the hearts of my child. Being an honest shows the good and clean character of the person. Honesty helps the person to develop quality in behavior. Honesty changes the person from outside as well as from inside without giving any harm and gives mind peaceful. The peaceful mind gives the satisfaction to the person by making nice balance among body, mind and spirit. Honest person is always respected in his family and society and he is known as the happiest person in the world. Life will show you many ups and downs. You will be tempted to be dishonest, to lie. Your honesty and loyalty might be questioned. Your faith from these courts might start to waver. But if somehow you remain on the same path, on the path of honesty, you will be rewarded. If you make some mistake, admit it. If you have done something wrong, say sorry and mean it. If you have hurt someone, rectify it. These things are bound to happen, but honesty is about owning them at every step. The truth will punish once, but the lie doesn't get away. Once the trust is gone, it is gone forever. As the parents are the first teachers in the child's life, they should teach them to become honest at every step, even if they are wrong. Being an honest since in childhood will help in their adult age to become good citizens in the country. No individual should encourage lie. One should help others to speak the truth. We can change the society by being honest and positive. In last, I would like to say, friends, no matter how the situation is bad or hard, you must be honest at every step because truth always wins, because truth always triumphs. Thank you.